This short video demonstrates how the Vyakar lead routing application works. Vyakar essentially follows three-step approach for lead routing. The very first one is create your corporate definitions. These are usually what we call different segments like enterprise and commercials, what are our different territories, what are our open opportunities, what do we call a named account or a strategic account, in those kind of things. The next, we make these definitions actionable. So we actually create a segment and filter this out to actually select the leads that we want to route. And lastly, use these actionable segments into actual routing rules. So let's consider a very simple lead routing scenarios where my first requirement is that if a lead comes from an account that has an open opportunity, the lead should go to an opportunity owner. Next, if the lead is from an account that doesn't have an open opportunity, it should go to an account executive. Lastly, if the lead doesn't have an account in our CRM tool, then it should go to a team of SDR team in a round robin way. So these are my three routing requirements. First, if a lead comes from an account with an open opportunity, it should go to opportunity owner. If a lead comes from an account without an open opportunity, it go to account executive. Lastly, all other leads should go to an team SDR team in a round robin way. So let's start creating how this is actually going to work out. So since the last requirement is about an SDR team and lead being assigned to them in a round robin way, let's get in and create a sales team. I'll name it SDR team, and I get in here and I say I can actually select how many SDRs that I have, but and all these attributes come from Salesforce. Then whatever attributes we have in Salesforce, we can select it. It could be name, it could be manager ID, and many other things. You can select them by the email. So let me actually select some of them. And once I define my sales team, I need to approve it so that it's available for use. Now, the first two requirements are if a lead comes from an account with an open opportunity, it should go to an opportunity owner. So let us define what is an open opportunity actually means. So I get in here and say that account with open opportunity, and I can say that whatever stage that could be in, stage in, let us see, prospecting. I have only one stage in here, but if you this is my domain instance, but if you have a real Salesforce instance, you would have all those different status get in here. And you can actually select any other Salesforce attribute saying that closed is false, uh, and close is false, and the close date could be in close date in future. If we are expecting it to close in 180 days, so that becomes my open opportunities. So actually this is all the accounts with open opportunity. I approve it. Now so that is all the accounts with the open opportunity, and let me get a list of another account, all the leads that actually matches with an account. So lead with account in CRM. So this will give me all the leads that actually do match with the CRM. I get in here and actually I use the Vyakar matched account name is not empty. So this means that lead actually did match with the CRM account that I have. Now I have created all the segments. If the lead matches with an account, if the lead has an open opportunity, and I have also created my sales team. Now let's start creating a segment. I'll say that lead segment. I'll create my lead segment, leads with open opportunities. This is my segment. We are making our data dictionary actionable right now. So I get in here and I say that, okay, I had account status which says all the account. So this becomes a list of all the leads that has an open opportunity. I approve it. And I also create leads with matched account, matched CRM account. And I get in here and I say market segment is, and last segment I'm going to create is basically all the leads, because we want to have a catch all anything that doesn't qualify either of these should actually uh, go to an SDR team, all leads. And I'll say if they are not in this to market segment, I'll say is not leads with CRM account, and it is not in the is not account with open opportunities. So all other leads, let me see all remaining leads. Okay, so I created 3 lead segment. Now lastly, I just get in here and I start creating my lead router. So I'll say April 2019 lead router, and lead with open opportunities, I say assign it to opportunity owner. So what it does that if an account has multiple open opportunities, it will assign a lead to the latest opened opportunity for that particular account. I add another lead routing block, and I say that lead with matched CRM account should go to account owner. I add another lead routing block which says all remaining leads, and that actually should go to sales team, and I'll select the sales team in a round robin way. So this is all my definition, the lead routing definition. I get in here, I approve it, and I can activate it whenever I need to route the leads. And so that's how my lead routing would work. If you have any question, please feel free to email me. My email address is deepak@vyakar.com.